Hey, you really thought that she was dead, right? I know you thought that she was completely dead because I have been posting videos of my baby, but my baby's better than ever. As you can see, we're putting more lights on the truck. That's what we're gonna do. But before... It has been a while though, and there's a reason for it. First, I took a break in December. You know, I want to take time with my family, holidays were here. I was like, you know, I'm not gonna bother thinking about content and so on and so forth. But if you didn't watch the previous video where I put a backup camera on the Corvette, I said that I really miss making videos though, sharing the experience and helping. Even if I help one of you guys, I'm happy. And this truck here has been the main reason why you guys are loving this channel. I know a lot of you guys are here for Corvette content, but this is what everything started. My 2017 Colorado still running strong. Last week I took care of her. She's clean. I cleaned everything because, you know, even though it's a nice day though, don't get me wrong, the winter here in New Jersey is pretty hard on us, but I still have a couple of things that I need to do on the truck, and mainly is fixing the damage, which is here. I'm still looking at my options, but right now I cannot do anything because this guy here is taking most of my money and most of my time because we are doing a big project. If you want to see the biggest crazy wide body conversion on a car, you should subscribe and make sure you stay tuned because this is going to be crazy. Once I'm done with it, this is going to be the main focus. I'm actually looking for parts though because we need to fix this. But anyway, this is going to be a really interesting question because you guys are going to say like, why are you going to put pods on your truck if you don't take your truck off-road? My truck has other kind of style, let's say, but LASFIT reach out to me, say, hey, you want to try those? And to be honest, you guys know I have the light bar, rough country light bar. I use that thing probably every day that I drive this truck. Where I live up North Jersey, it's pretty dark. So I was like, yeah, send me the pods, I'll give it a try. Let's see how it's gonna look. Let's see how much light you can put out with my light bar. And that's the goal. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and I'm gonna do a really honest opinion on the product. This is my baseboard where I keep track of everything. So the first thing we're gonna attack for the Colorado box. Dude, I'll tell you what, this is probably the best packaging that I've ever seen. It's so nice. This box is amazing. Comes with everything you need, which should be basically a really pretty straightforward install. Comes with the 3-inch LED pods, as you can see here, right? 2 of those. The brackets, the mount on the hood should be pretty easy to install. We will figure it out together. The brackets where you put the pods on, all the hardware, the connections itself, and the harness that goes from the pods to the cab to the battery, and we should be good to go. Yeah, the first thing we need to do is put the brackets on, which I think my only concern, and everybody that I watch here doing this, I also watch videos of people doing things. If people already did it, why I'm gonna make the same mistake, right? So I think the challenge here is to make sure that the hood doesn't, you know, move and you don't have any alignments problem, which I have a solution for it, which we're gonna use painter tape. Dude, it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna take the painter tape and I'm gonna mark. All right, one is in. Let's do the same one on the other side. With the brackets on the truck, Now we need to mount the pods itself on this bracket, and this bracket is gonna sit on that bracket, which I think we should put this bracket on first and then put the pods on. Here are the, all the hardware. So it's basically 3 bolts. I'll show you here. This one goes here, and you have a couple washers that goes on the bracket, and should be it. So let's give it a try, and then we can attach. I think this part is the easiest one to do because it's on the side. This one is the hardest one. Let me just figure out what size socket we need it. Why I'm doing this, there's no reason why I cannot do this, to be honest. My truck, I don't off-road, and I know that, but I want to help you guys, you know what I'm saying? And because I want to help you guys, I'm doing this. Maybe somebody who off-roads watch my videos and they have a totally different kind of build on their truck. It's just like, again, my goal is always helping, you know what I'm saying? Does it really matter what I'm doing? The goal is always helping. So just keep that in mind. All right, here are 2 washers and the bolt itself, right? So if we do this, and this is probably the worst part though. Not really. And you take your socket. I'm not gonna, do all the way. So I'll adjust and find the position later. So let's repeat the process for the other side. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me questions why I'm not making more Colorado videos. And dude, there is no actually explanation why. It's just like I'm out of stuff to do on this truck. I don't want to overdo this. For me, this thing here, it's overdoing. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not off-roading this truck. I didn't put this truck together to off-road. And to be honest though, I really like doing other stuff. Like, don't get me wrong, I love doing stuff on my truck. It's probably one of my favorites. But I also like doing Corvette stuff. I also, lately, to be honest, my favorite thing is doing stuff in my garage. Yeah, that's my favorite thing for sure. It's doing stuff in my garage. Not that I don't like other things, but the garage though, yeah, I don't know if you guys are like me, but my entire family enjoys the garage. I come down here with my son, and dude, what a blast. What a many memories we make it. Of course, you need the cars in the garage, but having the garage is nice. And if you guys didn't watch, because you probably like our truck guys, and you park the truck like outside like I do, you don't care too much about garage, but spend like, I don't know, I think the video is like 15 minutes, 20 minutes long. You're gonna see the things I did it. And dude, I just love it. I don't know why I keep this open before though. So much easier. But yeah, I really love it. Putting stuff in my garage and putting the garage together. It's so satisfying though. It really is. So yeah, I'm saying all that to say why I'm not making too many videos on the truck. It's because, to be honest, it's done. I don't want to do anything else. And I don't want to get another truck too, because my truck is paid off. I don't have a loan on it. And right now I'm in the phase of my life. I don't want to have car payments. I want to just move forward with bigger stuff, which is probably paying off my house. And I get it. I know at some point I want a full-size truck, but not now. Now this is going to be my truck for a little while. Maybe I'll put new wheels on it, and that's it. We call the day, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just to give you guys update on why I'm not making truck videos. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there. So this entire time that I didn't post anything here on YouTube, I have been posting on Instagram. Corvette stuff, truck stuff, garage stuff, and life stuff. All right, the brackets are on. This bolt here goes on the side of the pot, and they even send you the tool to do it. So pretty straightforward. This just slide like this. It's like a light bar. If you ever did a light bar, you know what I'm talking about. I'll say that again. The challenge of the lifted truck. So for the, I think it's the worst part, I might be wrong, but for the worst part is the wiring. I was trying to tap on my light bar harness, but I think I have an easy way. Since I did my mirrors, you guys know I have the auto boost mirrors with the LED stuff. I have an opening on my door here that I will show you guys. I'll try to fish this cable through it. If it goes, we're gonna use it like that. If you know, I need to figure out something else. All right, I think that worked. This one's gonna be here, all attached to the battery, right? So here, as you can see, you have like a space, and then without disassembling anything, basically just this trim piece, which I have taken out so many times. And here, I don't know how much you guys can see, but there is a rubber piece that I had to remove to do the mirror wiring. I used the same hole, so now the wire is here. The thing is, my light bar is here. This is my pedal commander. It should go here. The wind booster, right, should go here. Which a lot of people say like, oh, you're gonna have so much problem with it. I didn't have any so far, but maybe it's my thing. When am I gonna put the other one, right? So I might get those control panels that goes there, but meanwhile we're gonna keep this. I'll probably put on the other side, so when I want on a light bar, I know which side it is, and when I want on this one, I know what side it is, right? Let me get to work, and I'll show you guys the final result. It is not dark yet, but I think it's a good blend between the light of the day and the super dark, because the camera is not gonna show anything. So let's see how that looks like. I don't even know if it's working though, so what do you guys think? Is it gonna work? Let's see. Beanball. Oh, yes! Oh my god, it's super bright. So one more thing we need. Yes. And the camera is showing super yellow, but it's actually super white here in person. But look at that, so nice. I can adjust. Look, I'm adjusting, so they kind of match, right? All right, that's kind of perfect thing. Look at that. Wow, what do you guys think? I know here looks super yellow, but it's not yellow at all. Let's compare with the light bar. Even the light bar looks yellow. I love it. I love it. Now we need to turn everything on. There's one more thing. Oh. My rock lights don't do white, so I'm gonna take advantage of this little light with the GoPro because it doesn't do good justice. But yeah, what do you think? Man, this truck, it's a little bit too much or not? So I can change my headlights for white, so everything is white. So we get rid of the blue, but my rock lights, unfortunately, I cannot change it. But I'll tell you what though, if you off-road, look at that. That's how bright it is. Yeah, it's showing yellow there, but it's the camera making adjustment, because normally it's white. Trust me, it's white. Look at that. If somebody's coming in front of me, that's what they're gonna see it. Looks pretty cool though. Simple install, very easy to do. Anybody can do it. Took me, I think, the entire install with the wiring, which I found that way, was like an hour. So it's not bad at all. Huge thank you to LASFIT. LASFIT has been providing all the lights for my truck and for my Corvette as well. So I don't have anything to complain about. They are awesome. The customer service top notch. So if you wanted those pod lights, there's a link below with a coupon code so you can take advantage of the 10%. So you just use Matt and LASFIT and you're gonna take 10%. And I hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think. I know this is not the perfect match with my truck style, but there you go. If you off the road, that's for you there. Or if you live in places super dark where I live, that's also for me and you. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts on the pods. Let me know your thoughts on the wiring. Super easy install. I hope you take advantage of it, all right? I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.